Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting friends. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you forget your Wi-Fi network. Friends, you want to forget your Wi-Fi network in your Oppo phone, so friends you can forget. And guys, now let's see how to forget Wi-Fi network in our Oppo phone. In this video guys I am going to show you friends how can you forget your Wi-Fi network. So friends, first of all open your phone setting to forget your Wi-Fi network. So friends, you can see this type of setting in your Oppo phone. So friends, click on guys your Wi-Fi setting friends. And as you can see guys, we have connected this Mukesh 5G network, and guys right side this icon guys you can see. So guys tap here to forget this network. Then guys click on guys this remove this network, means forget. Yes, we want to forget. So this network will forget, and guys you cannot use the network as you want to use, so you will have to enter password again. You will have to connect again, then guys you can use it. So I hope friends you have understood how to forget Wi-Fi network in our Oppo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.